What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, hope you're all well. Today we'll be looking at the Bitcoin monthly close and go from there. So we actually closed on the 20 monthly EMA. This is actually very bullish. This is telling us that we're going to get monthly bullish continuation as we have higher highs, this high being higher than this one, and higher lows, this low being higher than this low. So I'm going to check for some divergences. You've actually got monthly bullish divergence. That's very positive. The thing is though, one thing I am looking at is every time you've closed on the 20, you've eventually gone into a bear market. Every time you've closed on the 20, you've eventually gone into a bear market. I don't think we have much more data, but yeah, you never closed on the 20 in this run up. You may have touched it. No touches, but every time you've come down and closed on it, you've come back to the 12 and got rejected into a bear market. So this is still something that we need to watch out for. I would like Bitcoin to get above $44,000 basically, or even above this, 47,000. From 44 to 47,000, I would like on the monthly time frame reclaimed as basically 47,000 really, because even if we do get above this, there's still that risk. Look, you got above it here, and you still rolled over. Over here, you still got above it, and then eventually rolled over. So if we do tend to come back to the 20 again after a push out of it, then yeah, potentially we are going to roll over. You can see again constricted between these two, got no space, and then obviously rolled over into a bear market. So that's Bitcoin on the monthly. Let's go to the weekly now. So yeah, you can see that ever since we lost this low, we are in a technical target to 28k. So technically speaking, as long as you're below 39,000, we should continue to the 1618 at 28k. And all you're doing right now is coming to the 1.272, getting a bounce, and then obviously, what two things could happen here is you could get above it and then fail to hold its support and continue down, or we just don't even get above it whatsoever and we continue down. So let's go to the daily now. Daily, I think that it's just taken too long to come up. Lucky! Stop opening and closing the door. It's my cat, guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 days. Look at this drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 days to drop. 9 days to go. Probably about halfway, to be honest. So let's just check from this to there. Yeah, you've gone exactly halfway. So could this be a dead cat bounce? I hope so, to be honest. What I'm anticipating is a rejection either now or from the 20, back testing that 39k. You might not even get the back test before continuation down. I think that the pump yesterday was just to make our monthly close above the 20 monthly EMA. So it's like, yeah, just making people bullish again, just getting ready for another dump. So I'm going to go to the Bitcoin chart again, because this was the BLX chart. So the Bitcoin chart, let's go to the 4 hour. Can you close the door, Abs? It's too loud. But, thanks. Yeah, perfect. So we have this resistance here. We actually made a higher high with the bodies and with the wick, so that's positive, but you're still sort of in this white box. So technically we're still in resistance. Now that we're in this white box, the bottom of the box is support, the top of the box is resistance. You broke above resistance, but you closed straight back inside, and now you actually went back above the resistance. You actually went higher than this candle and this wick, but you can see now you're about to close. Well, you've got 2 hours left, so technically we can't make a judgment, but if it closed as is, this would be a shooting star, and you would be rejecting the top band of the falling wedge. So right now you're in the falling wedge. This is very bullish because it's a bullish pattern, and technically you should break out bullish still, and you've actually formed a 4 hour bullish cross, so you want to fall back to it and hold it as support. The only way obviously we would want to see it, well, the only way that would fail is obviously falling through it, backtesting as resistance, and losing this support to head down into the golden pocket again. This is what personally I want to see. You could see that it'd be forming some sort of larger double bottom. Maybe that's what we're waiting for. That remains to be seen, but all I want to say, which I repeated in yesterday's video, is that there's multiple support points over down here, and there's multiple resistance points, even more resistance than there is support. So yes, I know I've been saying, oh, get above 39k, it's all good, get above 43k, it's all good. Remember, we do have this double bottom, smaller one over here. If it breaks out, it's going to 43k, but you can see that's still below, if we go to the daily time frame, still below this key resistance point. And you can see this resistance point is going through our August support, our September support, our December support, and then obviously a little support in January before breaking it, back testing it as resistance and tanking. So this is a major key level of resistance going forward, and even if we do break out of this, head to this 43k target, you still got the 55 looming over your head, as well as this 45k resistance. So it's kind of annoying now, because yes, before we wanted to see 39k hold, start sort of getting in the clear, and then we wanted to see 43k hold, but now it's not even that. Now we need to see, well, it depends when you get there, but let's say here we need 45k to hold now as support, so you have to get above it and hold it as support. So yeah, a lot of work to do, guys, because you could even come up all the way and still tank like that. So yeah, we need to watch what's going on. I'm just going to go to the 15-minute time frame quickly just to see what's going on. Yeah, very harsh rejection from this. All it means is that right now we don't want to go and break it. We just need to find support. Is that already over here? We find support. Are we going to roll over some more? Currently below the 55, but you can see that didn't really work out too much over here. Got straight back above. So we would want to see a rejection here and then continuation down. I'm going to check for some divergences. So yeah, you definitely have some bearish divergence, but we're already in the lower band. We're already in the oversold territory, and you can see we actually got some bullish divergence going, I think. So bearish divergence because we did have some higher highs over all of these highs, but you can see on the RSI, these highs over here on the RSI higher than this pump. So this was a fake pump basically, and that's what the RSI is telling us. It's a fake pump to the upside, running into key resistance. Thank God you tapped 39k. That's beautiful to see. So 39k has been tested. Harsh rejection, just probably trying to find some support. So yeah, and you're getting some bullish divergence now, because I think this is slightly low. I'm going to check the low of the candle. So this low was 249, this low was 250. Yeah, so this is a $1 below this with the wick. This wick's $1 below this wick, so technically we do have some bullish divergence now because we've got higher lows here. So we actually should see a pump to the upside back above this 55 EMA. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in my crypto packages, then please message me on my Twitter, Louis at Louis_crypto. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.